In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install WhatsApp on your Windows laptop or PC. For it, you just need to go to your Windows search option over here. Then you need to search for Microsoft Store. There you can see Microsoft Store. So we need to click on it and it will open something like this. So here we need to search for WhatsApp. Just search for WhatsApp here and you will see this WhatsApp over here. Just click on WhatsApp. Then you need to click on this get button. Click on get and it will start downloading WhatsApp. There you can see download started. And it is around 87 MB. So it will take a few seconds and the download is complete. So right now if we just click on it, open, it will open WhatsApp over here. So right now here we need to click on get started and link with your phone number. So here I'm going to give my phone number. First of all, you need to choose your location. For my case, it is Bangladesh, and we need to give our WhatsApp number. For my case, I'll give my number, then click on next. After that, it will send a verification message to your phone. So you need to click on confirm and then you need to write this in your phone. So I'll write this on my phone, Y on AL, then Y5TY, and then it will let us log in our PC. And there you can see. So this is how you can download and install WhatsApp on your Windows laptop or PC. I hope this was useful. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.